Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this expanding cards using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's jump right into. So first I'm going to create a new folder. I have some images already downloaded. I am moving these images to here and opening this folder with VS Code, and here I'm creating index.html, and with the help of boilerplate I created HTML file and linking CSS and giving it a title expanding cars and creating a container and item and h3. I give summer style. Let me add a image here, background image URL. I have images of some seasonal images. Now copying it and pasting it 4 times, and here I'm changing the h3 heading, and it's spring. Adding images URL into the background image. I will use these 4 images for my project, and linking my script file with this HTML script.js. Now create style.css and script.js. Now going to style and margin 0, padding 0, box size and border bow, resetting the HTML file and body font family using Courier, and height of 100 VH. Overflow will be hidden. Let me check it with live server. It's looking like this. Now going to style again. Display will be flags, justify content will be center, align items will also be center, and container targeting dot container width will be 90 VW. Display will flex and item display flex, justify content center, align item center, flex will be 0.5, and height will be 80 VH. For color will be white, and transition for flags for about 0.6 second, ease in. Margin would be 10 pixel, border radius will be 50 pixel. Now it's looking like this. Position will relative, background position will be center, backgrounds repeat no repeat, background size will be auto 100%. Now it's looking something like this. Cursor will be pointer, so our cursor will change into pointer. Targeting to h3, font size will be 28 pixel. Position will be absolute. From top it will take 20 pixel. From bottom it will take 20 pixel margin. Opacity will be 0 for now. Item active, when it will be active, flex should be 5. It will grow into 5. Now targeting to h3, when it will be active when we click on to image. So how my h3 will show, opacity will be 1, so it can be up here. So transition for opacity 0.3 second, ease in, so it will come with animation. Now const items document.query selector all, we are targeting to our item class items.forEach. now using for each method and item arrow function item dot event listener. When event listener will fire, if someone click on the image, what will happen here? First we have to remove the class and item dot class list dot add active class will be added when someone click on it. Function remove class will need removing function. Items dot for each method, using for each method item and arrow function item dot class list dot remove. Now this will be removed from one item. Now this is looking something like this. When you click on it, its flex grows into 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you.